It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey, Crafted Spirit Boosters, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing well and enjoying their life, their routines, hobbies, crafts, get downs, whatever is making you happy these days. I am happy too for you. Well, what is Miss JENITA back in here for today? I don't know. My husband bought me a few fruits and veggies. And I guess I got to decide what I'm going to eat today. Some broccoli, yam, a baked potato. I don't know. I want to make me some soup. Or, I don't know, low-cal potato salad. It's a no-meat day. I'm enjoying my no-meat days, especially since I'm not using a lot of seasonings on salt, rather. Let me say salt. Salt is the main seasoning that brings the flavor out in food. Salt and sugar. Don't kid yourself. So since I'm not putting all that on my food these days, I'm not enjoying my meat as much, but that's okay. This body, and anyway, that's what happened. So, I'm not eating bread either. I'm going to have to go back to my old routine. The thing that didn't bother me was coconut flour and stuff like that. So, I got to have coconut-based bread, whatever, like I was creating for myself back in the day. My last go-round diet. So, my daughter was talking about taking me to the store. Help me find me some coconut yogurt or something, plant-based yogurt. And main thing is I can't have a bunch of different chemicals or ingredients. I gotta have it bland as possible because a lot of food stuff I can't digest. I don't have the enzymes, so I can't digest it. And I have indigestion, or I'll break out. Several things trigger my breakout. So whole bunch of food and just stuff they put in the food, I can't do nothing with it. So basically, if it's something like fresh fruits and vegetables, okay, but even some vegetables I can't eat raw, like spinach. Can't eat that raw because it gives me indigestion, gas, horrible heartburn. I get spasms up the kahoo, gas spasms. Oh, it tie my guts in knots. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anybody have that problem? I know y'all ain't gonna answer me. I'm on the naughty list. YouTube, please take me off the naughty list. Don't you think it's time? It's been more than a few weeks. I hear that you be on the naughty list for what, 2-3 weeks? But I didn't even get what do you call it? I didn't even get notified that I did anything wrong. So what's going on? Why am I being demoted, devalued, unclassified? Document. Y'all know I'm being silly. But for real though, what happened to my 3,000 subscribers? That's what happened. But y'all, I'm going to be busy on my crafting channel. I heard my friend Patricia, she going to start her crafting channel. Yay. She has a gardening channel now. But when she starts her crafting channel, hope you guys join it. If y'all know Patricia, she going to have a crafting channel. Now we're going to be crafting sisters as well as gardening sisters. And she over on my grocery channel. Patricia is a good subscriber and a very good supporter. Don't sleep on Patricia and her channel. She's amazing. She has a big old what they call it, food forest, because she grow all her food in her yard, and she has a big yard. Lots of fruits, fresh fruits. She don't live too far from me, but I would love to go over to Patricia's house and get me some. She got grapes. She got a lot of fruit that I would want to eat over her in her yard, ripe and ready to go. But you know, the way things are, I don't know. I guess I can come by and honk, Patricia. I don't know. One day if it ain't at night. But anyway, what am I? I done lost my train of thought. What am I talking about? What was I talking? Okay, I was talking about that, but something else I'm supposed to be talking about. Oh, I'm still waiting on my money from the governor. A lot of us are waiting on our money from the governor. And sisters, remember, I hope y'all did y'all research. My sister's something else, y'all. We one family that do not stay in touch unless, I don't know, something happened. Nobody called, nobody bothered nobody. Brothers, sisters, nobody bothered nobody. Unless something happened, I guess. But family strange. But, what's going on? A lot going on. In the news, what they doing? They doing their investigations. And next month, the hearing, the January 6th hearing, people gonna be back. And I don't know. Stuff that's going on in the news is just developing, and nothing is being discussed because they gotta wait and see if somebody gonna be arrested. And if y'all been watching news, y'all know who they trying to bring down, making all that money on that raid. Boy, good. He's a good fundraiser. Y'all can still donate to Miss JENITA channel. Y'all don't be shy. And that's what happened. Go ahead on, give me that $45 or $50, it don't matter. Whatever you can spare to help this channel grow. Because, oh yeah, I know what I'm trying to tell y'all. Enough of that nonsense, huh? Move on, Miss JENITA, move on. Okay, this one I'm going to tell you. On my crafting channel, I am going to be creating more fall and Halloweenish type creations. And then there's going to be some Christmas stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm just going to be doing, I don't know, a bunch of crafting stuff. Y'all come through, join the channel. Y'all know anybody like crafting, come through, join the channel. And then I got my gardening channel over there. I love my gardening people. I got some good gardening stuff. They're amazing. Yep, and I love them. I got to do my gardening video. Right now, I'm on here because I think I told you my husband bought me some fruits and veggies. I'm about to share that with y'all. And for the life of me, there's a lot of food recalls. Go to FDA.com. And y'all know about the news. They mostly is about Trump. Trump this, Trump that, raid this. What he doing? How he doing? He running the Republicans. They trying to get back in power. How you gonna try and get back with power when you're already in power? We can't even get the George Floyd Act passed. We can't get the civil rights, the thing where the voting thing is so precious and important so we can stop these people from doing all this illegal madness. Boy, y'all better put y'all seatbelts on and get ready for this crazy ass ride. Because when the Republicans and this insanity stuff that's going on, if y'all have been watching the news, they got some wacky whacks trying to run things. Going to be interfering with the voting process. And I heard, did y'all hear about the mega people or Trump supporters went after the FBI? Boy, if that was some black folks, they ain't going to hesitate to shoot first and ask questions later. Allegedly, I'm speaking in tongues because it's just some nonsense. They should do like they do black people. Treat them like you treat black people, and that'll solve it. They won't do nothing else. They won't do nothing else. Is that what's going on? And that's what happened. Y'all, if y'all know about this stuff going on, people, the mega people, they upset because of the raid at Trump, so they went after the FBI. Then It's all kind of insanity stuff going on, because they call it I don't know, white supremacists, white nationalists. They love Trump, and I don't know why they want him to be president, but they do. And if y'all been watching all this craziness on the news, say so in the comments. That's all I can say. I just report it as I see it and hear it. This is not my news. This is MSNBC, CNN, and any other local news station I'm watching. I watch Roland Martin channel. I watch several other people's channels, but their names I can't bring to remembrance right now. But don't blame it on the boogie. Don't blame it on Miss JENITA. I just report what's going on out there. If whoever, hope it ain't no Karens around. Karens don't come around. I ain't scared no damn Karens. Don't let me be a Karen. Okay, so y'all better be on y'all P's and Q's, stay in survival mode, because there's so much mess going on out there in the streets. Hope y'all have y'all household, not with food, but all other necessary equipment, supplies, and tools you're going to need to survive with the madness that's supposed to be coming through. Hopefully folks get out there and vote for people that, you know, that ain't crazy, that want to hurt, destroy, damage, confusion, chaos, turmoil. We don't need no civil war. We don't need no more mess. We need peace with all this weather stuff going on. The weather is going to take us out. The weather. God don't like all this ugliness. And if all this ugliness is creating all this craziness, then some people need to rethink what they're doing, because things is happening. Floods, tornadoes, hurricanes, earthquakes, fires, starvation, wars, all this going on in the end of days. So believe it not. Like California supposed to have the worst flood ever in a month or so, I guess. Do your research. California going underwater. California going underwater. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, y'all, I got to turn around and let y'all see this little grocery. Y'all, this is the grocery haul. My husband got me this plant-based diet food because he knows that his wife has to take care of herself more than ever. I blew it, enjoying myself with all the fries, the breads, and everything that my body, you know, was not supposed to be enjoying the heck out of. But anyway, I got my potatoes, rustic potatoes. I got some Granny Smith apples. Yes, I will bake them. I got a watermelon. I have 4 bags of broccoli. I got a couple of avocados. I got some cuties. I got some yams, some celery. I think that's about all. Yeah, plant-based diet. Like I told y'all, I'm eating meat. Ugh, I'm not enjoying eating it since I haven't been eating. I don't mind not eating meat, because when I do eat meat, I wasn't really eating a lot of meat. But anyway, I'm adjusted. I can do veggies, fruits, all for you know, and don't be complaining. It doesn't bother me. With meat, sometimes after you eat so much chicken, it start tasting like what? Paste, like wall gunk, that stuff. What that stuff you that start tasting like plastic? Not that I eat plastic, just the texture of it, rubbery and just ugh. So meat, I ain't missing it, but I do like chew on a bone every now and then. Like I can do a beef bone if I can just find. Out there in the east and the south, you guys got the biggest, beefiest beef ribs. Out here in Cali, they got that little thin, no meat having beef bones. Ain't nothing but soup bones. Oh, I wish they would leave some meat on the dang beef bones. If they even cost a lot, that would be all right. If I could just give me a beef bone. I need to find me some beef neck bones. Now here I go. I'm talking about I wasn't enjoying meat, but I do like the meat where I can chew on the bone, get that little season, that marrow. But chicken, I can't be eating all this chicken. All the chicken just, I get tired of chicken. But turkey. Y'all, I didn't even tell y'all about turkey wings. I was in the store that day. Turkey wings, one turkey wing was $7 and something. I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm gonna run my meat video again because I ain't paying that much for no one turkey wing. My freezer is packed, and I'm gonna try and get this broccoli, and I'm gonna eat one of these broccoli. I love my broccoli. But I gotta let y'all go. I know I ran my mouth and talked about this, that, and the other, but it's so important to share and spread the news. Y'all heard about the CDC relaxing the rules on the COVID. They ain't saying nothing about the monkeypox too much, but the stuff is still out there. My mask still going up. I don't want nobody close up on me hawking and coughing. You see these fruits and veggies still in the bag. Yeah, they going in the sink and gonna get scrubbed down. But I'm gonna get off here, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If not, that's okay. If y'all want to share it, that's okay. If y'all enjoy it, that's good. Just show me. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed if you aren't subscribed. And that's it. Just stay in survival mode. Take care of yourself. Keep your house fully packed and charged and energized and ready to go. Don't forget, sisters, have an emergency bag, because that mess ain't going to be no game come the fall. If y'all get flooded, you're going to need an emergency bag. I ain't playing with y'all. Y'all can be stubborn if y'all want. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit